In this assignment, we're going to be working with some basic formatting, and we will be using FACS2 demo file to do this. You'll be learning how to format numbers with commas, with your $ symbol, which is referred to as the counting format. You'll learn how to decrease decimal places, percent format, and the Format Painter tool where we paste a style. We had done this previously with Word, and it's the same tool, but we're going to be using that with Excel. You'll learn about how to select a continuous range using your Shift key, and a non-continuous range where cells aren't touching each other, and here you use your Control key. You'll notice in this file that there are little red marks here at the end of the cell. And these are referred to as comments. And the way to display them is by clicking on your Review tab at the top of your screen, and then there is a box that says Show All Comments. So then you can see comments that way. I'm going to turn them off. You can also, with comments, you can drag them out of the way so that they aren't distracting, or you can re-hide them. And I've just put the comments on here so we can see what numbers we're going to format. So we're going to take the range B5 through B7, and we're going to format these cells with 0 decimal places and a comma style. So you hold your left mouse button down, and now we have a continuous range selected. Formatting options are shown on our Home tab. We will go up to the top, look at our formatting options, which show up on our Home tab, and we're looking for a comma formatted. Your number formats show up under the General. You can either click on the drop-down arrow in the corner, or you can simply click on your comma. So to do this, I'm going to select a continuous range, B5 through B7, and I can come up to my comma. And now notice there are 2 decimal places. If I want to decrease the decimal places, this tool right here under our numbers will let us do that. Again, select the range, decrease decimal places. Now I'm down to 2 and 1. Now I have 0 decimal places. I can go to cell B10, and we're going to format this as a %. And you can look up at your tools under your number formats, choose %, and now I want to increase my decimal places. I can click it one time, and now I have 95.0%. In cell B11, I am going to format this as currency style. This will be your $, and notice it's in the accounting format, which is what I want. That's how you can format cells. I'm going to show you my Format Painter tool down in cell B12. Format Painter tool is our little paintbrush in the left-hand corner. I'm going to click on that Format Painter, and I'm going to paint the style back to be plain formatting. Show you how you can do a non-continuous range. So you're going to hold your mouse button down. You'll select B5 through B7. Hold your Control key down. Now we also have cell B12 selected. Can go back up to my comma format. Decrease decimal places. Now I formatted a non-continuous range, and all of my numbers are formatted. So you just had a little taste of formatting numbers, reviewing Find and Replace, Format Painters. You reviewed how to select a continuous range, holding your left mouse button down. And another option is that you can click on your first item and your last item and holding your Shift key down. That's another way to do it. And then to get a non-continuous range, again, hit your Control key. That's how you can change your ranges.